Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to enable comments on your Facebook Reels. Alright, it's very easy guys. Now as you can see right here, I don't have the comments option on these Facebook Reels. So what I'm just going to do now is to show you how you can get or enable comments option on your Facebook Reels. Now how can you do that? It's very easy guys. The first step to take is to open your Facebook application, and then once you're on your Facebook app just like this, now at the bottom right corner you see the menu option right there, or if you're on Android, on the top right corner you see the menu option. Just click on the menu option and then scroll down and select settings and privacy. Go to settings, then from here you just have to scroll down, and from this place all you have to do next is to click on followers and public contact. Yeah, just click on that. Now after that you just have to scroll down and you find this public post comment. Now as you can see right here, this is set to friends, and once it's set to friends, only your friends can be able to see the comment option on your Facebook Reels. Anybody who is not your friend won't be able to see the comment option. That was exactly what happened to my Facebook Reels. That's why you were not able to see the comment option. Now what I'm just going to do is to change it. I'm going to select public, and once I do that and go back, now my comment option will be available to everyone on Facebook. Anyone who will use my Facebook Reels will be able to see the comment option. So guys, that's just how to do it. It's that simple. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.